if you happen to be new here, this is Melanie. Glad to have you. And if it's your first time in my channel, I hope you're gonna like what you see here. And if you do, please click the subscribe button below and ring the bell for more notification for more upcoming videos. So this episode is about I'll show how Winnipeg is, our city in Canada. So I'm getting ready. It's October, but unfortunately I have to wear I have to bundle up. So scarf, ski pants, checked, and a sweater. Not a sweater, winter jacket. Very thick. I need a thick one because unfortunately Melanie is really scared in cold weather. So yes, I have to bundle up. So bundle up with me. We are gonna show you what is our life here in Winnipeg now that it's October. Shocking! Look at it. Welcome to North Pole. Joke. Just showing you how is our backyard. First, first day of snow in Winnipeg. Look at the snow here. Oh, my sunflower, I'm sorry, it's already cold now. Oh, yes. Now, we're here in North Pole. Joke, it's Winnipeg. We call it Winterpeg. So, yes, this is our backyard. Super messy now because of the leaves that fell and snow for only 2 days. 2 days. I know, 2 days. Here. So we are going to shovel. So we are going to start shovel this so that we can park our car because it might get towed. Yeah, Yuki's still playing, making a snowman. Yeah, we're gonna make snowman. And we're gonna shovel this. Roll. No.
Stop.
Yes, it's only October, but it seems like it's December. But we have to embrace it because this is God's creation. So all we can do is enjoy, have fun, and be thankful. Just making snowmen. Yeah. This is how dirty it is. Because the trees are not ready yet for winter. They are still trying to cope with the fall weather, but unfortunately winter or snow came so early. So that's it for them, poor trees. Oh no! Almost done! I'm gonna show you our front house, how terrible it is right now. Oh my gosh, look at our tree. Oh my gosh, oh no, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at all the trees. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, oh wow. Hi, what happened to our, oh my gosh. Oh, hi.
Oh, Mommy, you can go to my pastor.
Oh my gosh. Look at the road. Oh my gosh, look at the road. Holy. All the trees are knocked down. Knocked out. Oh, what happened? Yeah, 2 days of snow falls and snowstorm. Holy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is what happened to our street. All the trees and their branches fell and broke because they're not ready yet. Oh no. I hope the government of it will get fixed. And look at our tree. I'm going back home. Oh no. Glad our car is not broken. It didn't get fell. It's a tree.